Hi there, Melody from WTI, and I love cleaning, said no one ever, until you get yourself one of these electric brushes. Check out this Homtronics 14-in-1 cordless electric cleaning brush with 9 brush heads. This power scrubber is so impressive for a lot of reasons. So first, it has 2 speeds on here, and once charged, you have 120 minutes of working time. I mean, how fun! So it's super easy. You just pop open the silicone here, you twist on the end to extend your handle up to 48 inches, which is totally amazing. It's perfect for all those hard to reach places. So all the different scrubbers, the cleaning brushes, all the little pads that they have, they're so versatile. You can use them for anything from in your tub, even down into the drain. I even use it quickly. You change the attachment to clean the toilet. This cone brush is perfect for corners and even inside the toilets where it gets all gross and nasty up there. And no worries when cleaning with water because it works underwater. And then even changing the different scrubbers or sponges on the Velcro head is as simple as just switching them up. And then you can reach all those hard to reach places with your pole extension, the walls and the doors. I mean, this thing can clean anything. Again, you switch up the scrubber and you're all set to do any kind of scouring, sponging, cleaning, whether you're doing walls, windows, your bathroom, floors, tiles. This is even good for any kind of outdoor work as well. You're going to be impressed with this scrubber from Yuhui Direct. So if you haven't ran out and gotten yourself one of these electric cleaning brushes yet, I highly suggest it. It makes cleaning so easy and so fun. And that's my point of view.